Hey guys, welcome to Advantage Day Trading. My name is Josh. It's July 31st, the last day of the month, and a very slow morning. It's been difficult for me to try to find something that looks halfway decent. So I'm watching LSH, I'm watching NUZE, I've got MHUA and ISPO on my list here too. So our leading gapper is trading places between NUZE and LSH. They're both gapping up about 60%. And LSH does have some news on it. I started watching it. It popped up here. I started watching it when it sold off and thinking, well, this one here looks like it's going to be one of those that just pops up and sells off. But then it started making this next move up, and then it pulled back, and then the next move up. So I don't know. There might be something here. This could be one to be watching. Daily time frame up here. So 425. That's up the pre-market high up here now. So we're right up there at that level. If we get over 425, resistance is up at 537. That is all-time highs, and that would be a good thing. But we gotta get over 425. Not a whole lot of price action on this one. You can see this line here. It is kind of following that up. We'll see if that acts as support. Right now we have 1 minute higher lows. Here's a higher low, a higher low. But yeah, gotta get over 425, double topped at 425. Psychologically, you could call this a cup and handle formation that's forming. It's not a textbook looking cup and handle, but the psychology of it's there. You got the high, pulls way back, bulls return and push the price right back up to that resistance. So that would be the cup, and then you get a little handle here on a pullback and looking for that next breakthrough for the cup and handle breakout. Looks like the bulls might try to attempt it here. So definitely we'll keep an eye on that. NUZE, this one here, been seeing this for the last few days. It doesn't have news on it. Trading within a range here of a couple of daily levels. Got a pre-market high up here of 747. And if we look at this on the hourly time frame, looking for an hourly higher low somewhere above 527 down here. On the daily time frame, so I need to zoom out like this, and you can see, okay, so there was this big red day, drops off, small days coming back up, and now today we're gapping up over the top of that big red candle. So maybe we back test it, maybe we come back down to that big red candle and back test 527 before the next move. It's already been back tested here at the opening of pre-market. So I don't know, we'll see. 5 minute time frame here, had an uptrend and a downtrend, now looking for another uptrend. Definitely have a resistance up here at 686 and support down at 555. And then MHUA, this one here, when I first fired up the platform, was moving up. It looked good. I thought, here we go. This is going to be the obvious one. It has news. It was gapping up about 100%. Has a lot of volume, a really small float. 10 million in the float, but that's good. That's fairly small. Yeah, I really thought it had potential, and then it just did this. It sold off, so I marked out these levels down here off of the 1 minute from this point where it started to make its move up. So you have this consolidation zone. There's quite a few other areas back here. That was the one I was most paying attention to, and came down into it. Found support for the moment, broke down through that first one, came down here, finding support on this one. So we'll see if anything, maybe we'll get a little bounce off of this. We got a 5 minute higher low right here at 165. Trading below the volume weighted average price. We got the EMAs crossing over here. So right now, bears are in full control on this one. But like I said, if it's going to do something, I would expect probably just a bounce. Not something I'd want to hold. Really, for this to be bullish again, we need to see it get up to the pre-market high of 225. So I'll keep that one on watch. And then ISPO, tried to trade it yesterday and took some loss. Was that yesterday? I don't even remember now if I even traded it, but I do remember having it up at one point. I think, yeah, it was yesterday. I was watching this one yesterday because I remember the candles here, and I think I might have taken losses on it first thing, but it didn't start making its move up until, about an hour and 15 minutes after the open. And of course, I was done trading by then. Maybe we'll get another shot at it here, though. Look at the hourly time frame. So 931 is that daily resistance from yesterday, and we're just slowly grinding higher with hourly higher lows here. So we'll see what happens with that. I'll put a line across this because this is kind of the level. Kind of. Let's look at this on the smaller time frame. And we got 4 minutes until the open. I'm gonna go ahead and whatever. I'm not sure I trust this line too much. Pre-market high right now is up at 858. Resistance is there. Another little level up here. Okay. And you got your 5 minute higher lows. Support is down at 791 for the moment. You can see that on the 15 minute time frame. Even the hourly, that was a little hourly dip there. So that would be support. Typically, I would try to take a trade first thing off of a support level like this, but do I want to do it? We're definitely not extended as far as the bulls are concerned, but bears are in control right now. And looks like LSH hitting new highs. Yeah, I kind of think if anything, I should maybe try to trade LSH. It is our leading gapper. It's up 76% now. See what it looks like at the open. I see TSLL popping up on my scanner. I might have to take a look at that one. Okay. So a minute and a half to go. I'm going to check out TSLL. Oh my gosh. I'm almost wondering. Got less than a minute to go. Oh, shoot. I messed up here. I put ISPO up here. I didn't mean to do that. Let's see here. Okay. I'm looking at TSLL thinking, you know, I should probably be watching this one instead. So I think I'll keep it up here, keep it on watch. All right, here we go. Market's going to open in 10 seconds. Now, yesterday I took losses immediately. This one here has got a little bit of a spread. It's taking a little bit of time to get going, so maybe it's not going to go right away. Looking for it to make its move up over the highs. I don't know that it's going to. But we'll see here. See if we get a bounce off the volume weighted average price. So stopped out over there on LSH. I'm adding to TSLL as it's moving up. New 1 minute candle here. It might pull back. So hopefully I didn't jump in too thick all at once. Do not want to hit my max loss again today. Trying to average down on this one. I'm going to give it a chance to bounce and go here. Okay. Are we going to get a move through the high on LSH, or is it going to be like yesterday and we see a flush down? Nope, I might get caught in it here. Hitting that resistance. I don't like this price action. It's really struggling to get over 425. Let's see if it can do it here. I don't like it. Oh, let's see. Risky doing that. Big drop, small bounce. Watching this one. Oh, no. Oh, man, I've been having a heck of a time, so I hit my max loss, down 18 points. I took too big a size on this one, and it pulled back too far. Hit my max loss again. Dang it. This one's gonna go. I just... It has not been easy this week, I'll tell you. And that, I think it's, is it halted? NUZE? I was in it trying to ride that momentum up, and I just took too big a size and it pulled back and triggered my max loss. I'm thinking about widening out my max loss a little bit so that this doesn't, because this has been happening pretty regularly here the last couple days, where I could have had some pretty good green days, but I'm just playing with it, trying to figure it out, figure out what's best. This would have been a great trade to be in, because I got in it, or I was getting in it right here. I actually started getting in it down here. I was adding here. I was in it pretty big. I would have been up pretty big right now. So yeah, I think I need to do something with that. Okay, well, that's the end of my day. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, and I'll see you back here first thing tomorrow, start of a new month. We'll see how things go then. Very, very small red day today. So tiny. I mean, if I put it up here, negative 18, and I had a high of 49, and my low is negative 18. So very tiny. I mean, normal consolidation here. That's to be expected. We'll see what happens here when I come back tomorrow after I make some adjustments. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you next time. Bye.